this is Tom Cloud with a special report for the listeners of FTM Daily and Jerry Robinson. I want to start off by saying in 1975, many of y'all don't know, most of you don't know, that I got in the diamond business a year before I started my gold and silver company, which today is Cloud Resources Group, National Numismatic Associates, and we've done business with a lot of you and have special relationships. What I've been doing is looking for years a way to have diamonds for an investment because the price was just too opaque, the spreads are way too much. So for all these years, I've had my diamond company, and I still have it today. I've sold millions of dollars of diamonds, but they've been for wearing and adornment, earrings, necklaces, that kind of thing. But what I found 2 months ago knocked me on the ground. Felt like almost falling over a chair as I came in contact through a major New York diamond dealer. They wanted to introduce me to IceCap Diamonds. And IceCap is a company that has great respect, that has brought diamonds into the 21st century with some real exciting way that we can now invest in diamonds and have another tangible asset that's very important. Before I get into that, I want to talk just a second about last Friday when Joe Biden put out in all the major newspapers that they were going to pay $78 billion to new IRS agents just to look at your banking accounts with complete access. So take an example, you usually have $1,000 in your bank account, your mother dies, leaves you $100,000, now you got $101,000 in there. The government will have the right to come in and make you prove where that money came from. And remember, they've got to make $78 billion just to break even over the 10 years that this plan is being okayed for. If you missed the story, if you will email me or call me at the number for the Diamond Company at the end of this show, then I will send you that along with a performance we had done between diamonds and gold over the last 50 years to show they're very close in performance. But now, once again, you've got diamonds that you can own and have the portability, confidentiality recognized anywhere in the world. And IceCap we chose because they are so far ahead, and the people behind IcePack are mind-boggling. When you look at IceCap Diamonds, you're talking about many of the very top names in the industry that I've known about for years and years and years. So when you look at that and believe that we can bring a diamond to you directly from the cutter, directly to you, the investor, and you've got a chain, you can put it on the NFT, the non-fungible token, you can put it there, which I've done with mine, and I'm going to leave them there. The diamonds go up. I want to sell them someday for a profit. You leave them there, but they're registered on the blockchain, so everybody in the world can see that it's there. When you're ready to sell it, you can sell it one of two ways, or three ways. You can sell it yourself. You can sell it all back on there, and you can list your price, and when someone hits your price, you sell it, or you can take the top bid, because every diamond has at least one bid on it that makes it the instant liquid product. But the most important part is these are XXX diamonds. These are the best cut. Every diamond's cut uniformly. There's different colors, different clarities, but the cut is excellent. We call that XXX in the industry. So this is very exciting that you can now own a XXX diamond, and so few of the diamonds in the world are XXX, and we're already seeing one country buying diamonds as a currency. And it's going to get bigger and bigger. We already know about all the talk about gold-backed currencies, silver-backed currencies, the U.S. dollar's falling apart. It's down to 92.68 on Friday, I think it was. I mean, people, we're less than 1 point away from watching an acceleration down as we continue to print money like drunken sailors. And you've got to get some money into tangible assets. A percentage of your assets should be in gold, silver, diamonds. And it's just an important thing to have, to know that you can put $1 million of diamonds in your pocket, go through an airport, and there's no detection whatsoever on there. you can wear them. But you're going to see diamonds get bigger and bigger as big money is not going to put up with these tax hikes against them. They're going to just put away some money and let it grow because they know it's going to grow because the dollar is going to continue to go down. And it's only going to accelerate as these new currencies are introduced. And we think there will be a diamond currency eventually. So I'll turn it over, getting ready to turn it over to my friend Jacques Voorhees, the president of IceCap.Diamonds. Just know that you can call me at any time. We'll be happy to talk about it. But if you own a diamond out there, you cannot get it tokenized and put in there unless it's a triple X. But if you buy the triple X, wear it for 10 years and send it back, you'll probably make a great profit and have a very happy wife that would love to be wearing a diamond like that. So hopefully we've got the point there, and I'm going to turn it over to my good friend Jacques Voorhees to take you the rest of the way.
Hi, I'm Jacques Voorhees. I'm the founder of a company called IceCap. We're using the technology of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, to open up the diamond industry to investors. Before I get into how that works, I'd like to thank Jerry for giving us an opportunity to tell our story on followthemoney.com. So I actually got into the diamond industry in the late 70s when we had high inflation, low interest rates, much like we have today. People were moving into hard assets. The problem is the diamond industry was never structured well for the diamond investor. You have no price transparency, you have illiquidity, and you have very high bid-ask spreads. So if you buy a diamond from a retail jeweler, for example, today, and tomorrow try to sell it, you'll probably get only half what you paid for it, which is obviously not a very good investment. So my idea was to use computer technology to create an online trading platform that would work for the investor. And I ultimately failed. The reason I failed is because diamonds are simply not fungible. Each one's different, and it was too difficult to try to create a platform that would work for investors when you're dealing with a non-fungible item. Now, the story has a happy ending because when I gave up trying to create an investment marketplace for diamonds, I used the technology that I'd built for the regular diamond industry, and it basically revolutionized that industry. So today I'm considered the father of online trading in the diamond industry. So about a year ago, my son Eric Voorhees, who's very well known in the blockchain and crypto industries through his company Shapeshift, explained to me about NFTs and how you could use an NFT to represent ownership of a given diamond. The diamond could go in a vault and the NFT could be traded efficiently. I said, great, but why would you want to do that? And he said, well, if you did that, you could open up the diamond industry to investors. I just about fell out of my chair because Eric didn't know that that's what I'd spent years of my early life trying to do in New York City. So when I realized that there was now a technology that could make possible what had not been possible before, I started the company IceCap. So here's how IceCap works. We obtain diamonds on the wholesale market. Every diamond has to have a GIA certificate. Every diamond has to be rated what's called triple excellent in terms of cut quality. And overall, our program standards are actually higher than Tiffany's themselves. So these diamonds, we issue an NFT representing the ownership of each diamond. The diamond goes in a vault, and we sell the NFT to investors. Investors can hold the NFT. They can redeem the NFT and receive the actual diamond. They can enjoy the diamond. Years later, months later, they can retokenize the diamond. It goes back into the vault. An NFT is reissued, and the NFT can then be traded. So when the investor is ready to sell, they simply leave the diamond where it is, and they sell the NFT on one of the NFT trading platforms, which already exist. Finally, we invented something called the value index. With the value index, we rank each NFT that's offered for sale, whether it's newly issued or secondary market, as a ratio to the wholesale price for that specific color, quality, carat weight combination of diamonds. So you see basically what kind of value that diamond is as a ratio to its wholesale price. If you're buying, you obviously want to buy the NFT that has the best value ratio to the wholesale price. That's the best value. If you're selling, we provide you the information of what price you have to set your diamond NFT for sale at to be at the top of the value index. So because of that, you always know what diamond to buy, obviously the one that's the best value. And when it's time for you to sell your NFT, you know the price that you have to put it at to be at the top of the value index. In this way, we create an efficient liquid two-way market that solves the problem of fungibility. So overall, IceCap, by bringing these pieces together, solves the problems that have existed for the diamond industry. Because of the value index, you have price transparency. Liquidity is accomplished with a mouse click, and buy-sell spreads drop from today of around 50% to more like 5% on the NFT markets. I also want to mention that IceCap brings together some of the most reputable and prestigious people in the diamond and blockchain industries. For example, our chairman is Bill Boyajian, who was the past 20-year president of the GIA itself, the people who invented diamond grading. We may be a new company, but the people behind IceCap are among the best known in the diamond industry. So that's it. We're pretty excited about what we're doing. Again, I want to thank Jerry for giving us the opportunity to tell our story. Thank you very much. If you'd like to know more, best to contact our sales agent, Tom Cloud, at 912-771-9353. Again, that's 912-771-9353.